At the onset of Diwali and celebrations of life and celebrations of auspicious days, MissMalini.com comes up with something great for you. Something that you can give for family, for friends, which is auspicious, which is nice, which will bring in peace, maybe happiness, overall well-being, good luck for them. So for good luck charms, you can give them these medallions that are fabulous and especially auspicious because these are symbols and yantras that are existing and have been researched on to be very lucky. You can see them also on my book, which is Miracle Cards. At the border we have these yantras, and also on the cards we have these yantras which are very symbolically powerful. So now you can buy these yantras for yourself or for your family and friends. They can keep it with themselves for good luck in your car, in your office, in your house. Instructions are there in which direction you can keep what. So now luck is at your doorstep. 15th December 81. Mayank, understand the core you, okay? Elemental wise, Chinese elemental wise, you are water. Water that flows. So for you, the career that's best is communication. You're a people's person, okay? So if you're sitting behind a desk and you're stuck, you're not going to be happy no matter what position you enjoy, what kind of money you enjoy. So first and foremost, you have to be in a position and work that you enjoy, that you love. When there is passion, everything will fall in place. Your birth number is Venus, which allows you to only think big, okay? But for every step that you want to grow, you just need to plan that much. Don't go too far in life too early. 2012 will be very good for you. You'll also have a change of place. So a lot of things and a lot of changes are in store for you, which is good. You may have missed a job opportunity in 2011 in the initial part of the year, probably because of delay in this, indecision. When you don't decide in time, sometimes an opportunity goes by. A lot of things are very good for you, but if you can enhance yourself with the lucky gemstone, it would be more better for you. Time of birth, we don't have it, otherwise I would have told that to you, but have it analyzed by your astrologer or write to us and we shall get back to you. Good luck. About property. In property there are yogas, okay? No matter how much we try, sometimes if the yoga is not there, you can't buy. But for you, we have good news because 2012 you will buy a property. Also, you have inheritance luck. A part of inheritance must have come to you in 2010 and a part of it which is balanced will come in 2012. There are two things that you need to understand. That if you seek, you receive. But to receive, you also need to be generous. Be generous with your siblings and you shall receive what is actually and rightfully yours. Have faith in the universal energies and the best is yet to come. Good luck.